Hello, spring has sprung here at Norwex. I am excited to share with you the new spring launch. These are all limited editions, so all of them are while supplies last. Let's get started. So first of all, something fun as you are out and about this summer and on the go, but you want to be a little more earth-friendly about it. Norwex has their eco-friendly utensil package. Comes in a cute protective carrying case, the silicone straw, which we love here at our house, and then of course your biodegradable but reusable utensils. Love that. Or if you prefer, you can also buy them as a set of 4 in this box, all right? Okay, next up is a new pop of color in your kitchen. So the silver embedded backlock technology textured weave kitchen cloth and towel in the new avocado color. Isn't that fun? So we've got that. And speaking of new colors, the new Magenta EnviroCloth. So just fun to pull out some seasonal colors as you clean. And the EnviroCloth has a very best friend, the window cloth. And for the first time, we have a window cloth mitt. Isn't that so fun? Look at those spring colors. And so if you are just cleaning the bathroom mirror after it's steamed up after you shower, or maybe quickly wiping down the shower door, this works great on its own or with a spritz of water. But if you're cleaning dirtier windows, maybe you're tackling the doggy nose prints or the outdoor grunge, I always recommend that you clean first with a damp EnviroCloth, wring it out tight and clean, and then polish to a streak-free dry with the window cloth mitt. All right, so you're going to use it just like the window cloth, except it comes in a mitt and a fun spring color. Speaking of fun spring summer colors, Norwex has brought out a few different limited edition beach towels. They're very popular for many reasons. I love their size. I love how compact they are, and yet how absorbent they are. They will really absorb an amazing amount of water because it's utilizing the amazing Norwex microfiber. I love that it has the silver embedded, so it has the backlock technology, and sand does not stick to it, so you can just shake it out if you're at the beach and fold it up and put it back in your carrying case. I love that you can just keep them in the car because they are so compact. So for sure, every time they bring out a limited edition, I recommend you grab at least one, but I think with these fun stripes, it might be a more than 1 year purchase on those beach towels. Okay. Now we get to have some fun colors for the bathroom. So this is the new color line. It's called Caribbean or Caribbean, as you prefer. This is the Chenille hand towel. One side has the bow accent to it, and then the other side is solid. As you can see, it's kind of a turquoise teal, somewhere in that family. And I love this because you put your towel handle right here or your oven handle, and then you just pull it up. Has that silver embedded backlock technology, and then it's just going to hang on your rod without getting yanked down on the floor. So gotta love that. And then also in the new Caribbean color, we have the backlock bath towel, hand towel, and matching face and body cloths. So you know those are all fabulous, and it's fun again to have kind of a seasonal color to shake it up a bit. I also want to say that at our house, we give each of our children, we have 4 boys, each one gets their own bath towel color, and that way it makes it super easy when we wash, we know whose is whose, and just keeps everything happy. Also new to the spring line, while supplies last, is the Plush towel set. So this has been very popular, and this is a first to have it in heathered oatmeal. So you'll see that this is kind of a super light beige with kind of a little darker browner threads in it. So super neutral, and it has that more traditional weave and then the fluffy soft weave on the other side. Again, bath towel, face and body cloths, and hand towel, okay? Now let's move on to, well, before we go to the laundry room, one of my favorites. I really love the Norwex deodorant. If you have not yet found a natural, safe deodorant to use, you need to. And secondly, you've got to give this a try. Now for me, as I've shared before, it took my body about a week to kind of make the adjustment. And ever since, I have just been loving this for everything. Exercise, no matter what, I'm just wearing it. And what I love is it's clear. So it doesn't leave the white residue on my clothes, which is fabulous. It's not an antiperspirant, but I tend to find that something in it seems to be a little bit more absorbent. I love that it has witch hazel and whatnot. So this is a new scent to it. It's citrus bergamot. So if you just want another option to the current scent in the line, this is the spring limited edition scent. And then if we go to the laundry room, you're gonna be super excited to see these little guys back. It's our Fluff and Tumble dryer balls with the sheep design. And I think they are so cute. I mean, come on, so cute. So you can put 3 to 6 of those in your dryer and they replace your dryer sheets, much healthier, obviously. And then we have the new liquid laundry detergent with lavender. So we've seen the powder Ultra Power Plus with lavender scent as a limited edition and everyone loved it. And so this round we get the liquid in the lavender. Now this bottle is about 230 loads in a high efficiency or about 115 in a standard. So that gives you some idea of that. And yes, I saved my favorite for last. It is the new extra large mop system. So I put out here, sorry, my dog wants to go out. I'll get to her in a second. I put out here the mini, the standard, and then the extra large, just so you can kind of see size comparison. So mini is awesome for people who have very little non-carpeted flooring or maybe small kitchen that they want to mop for. It works great. People love it in their campers and RVs. The standard is the standard. Like that's the one that the majority of people use in their homes. It's great. So when I first got to product test the extra large, honestly, I thought, how can I, oh, there goes my ice maker, lots of fun things today. How can I love it anymore? And I was a little worried that it might feel cumbersome compared to my standard that I've used for almost 13 years. And so I pulled it out, I tried it, and that was my moment. Like it made mopping so much faster. I had my 11-year-old mop with it. He's my master mopper. And I was like, all right, tell me what you think. And he's like, this is the bomb. This is awesome. And it's so much faster. In fact, he was going to give me a discount on his mopping services given that he got it done so much faster. So anyway, this is the extra large. Now there's a couple things. Norwex has done a package with just the base and the 2 pads. So that if you already have the mop handle and you just want to swap out for this, you can do that. Or they have it as a system with the handle if you want, you know, the whole mop system. So as you know, the mop is my favorite product. I love it. And this definitely makes it even faster. So those are the items that are new this spring. Be sure if you want to get them, remember it is limited supply and while the supplies last. If you would like to roll out the spring line for your friends, give me a shout. Or if you're working with the consultants, I'm sure they're taking awesome care of you. You'll want to connect with them to book your own demo date. And for me, I do in-person for people who live near me. I'm between San Antonio and Austin. And so that works, but the majority of my parties are online. Now what I do is an express 1-day party because I know we're all busy, but we want to get the word out about Norwex. And what I love about hosting is our hosting program is amazing. It is so generous and you can literally Norwex your home for free just as a thank you for sharing Norwex with your friends. So definitely if you would like to host an online party, I'd be honored to help you with that as well. All right, well, I hope you have a fabulous spring. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, take a minute to subscribe so you don't miss my future updates. We'll see you soon.